X-16 wiper position. Press Enter and then press Enter for Setup menu. Press the front key to station setup and press Enter. Press the front key to wiper position and press Enter. Press the front key until the wiper blade stops moving and press Enter. Press Enter for Save Home. Press the Exit key twice to go back to the wiper position screen. Press the back key to move the wiper blade into position so that it is centered on the printhead. Press the left key to move the printhead over and stop before the left edge of the printhead touches the wiper blade. If needed, use the front or back keys to nudge the wiper blade forwards or backwards until the wiper blade is centered on the printhead. Once the wiper blade is centered on the printhead, press the left key to move the printhead over the wiper blade. Once the printhead passes entirely over the wiper blade, release the left key. Press Enter and then press the back key to save L head and press Enter. Press the Exit key 3 times. The printhead will move to the capping station and then press the Exit key 3 times to the ready screen.